Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. Today I'm going to show you or I'm going to discuss with you about fraction. First of all, what is fraction? It defines that a fraction denotes a part or parts of a whole. So suppose I'm taking any drawing, so I'm taking one rectangle, okay? So this is a whole, and when I'm making it into part, so how many parts I have made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 parts we have made. And now whenever we write down this one, now suppose out of the 6 part, 3 part I have shaded. So this is a whole. The whole thing has been divided into how many parts? 6 parts. And how many shaded parts are there? 3 shaded parts. So while writing the fraction, what we will do? We will write down the shaded part as a numerator and the whole parts. How many parts are there? Total number of parts. That is the denominator. Okay. So in this way, we write down the top one as numerator, NU numerator, okay, and the down one we denote it as denominator. And this center, this line, it is called fraction bar. This is called fraction bar. Clear? So fractions means the part or a whole of it. Okay. Now today I'm going to discuss with you few things about fraction. First of all, what is fraction? We have told you. I have told you. Now I'm going to discuss with you how to write numerator and denominator in words. Okay. So how do we write in words? Suppose I'm giving you 3 by 4. You have to write down in words. What you will do? First one, numerator, you write down, you start with capital letter 3, normal 3. But the denominator, always use a th at the end. So what you will write down? Fourths. Okay, 3/4. So denominator, we write with a th. And numerator, as usual, what we write as a normal number names, we will write down in same way. One more example I'm showing you. 5 by 8. So few spelling also, denominator, few spelling you have to learn. Okay, like 20, 20th you have to write down, 40, 40, you have to write 48th. So be careful on that. Now 5, so normal 5, and always remember start letter, the starting one should be with capital and the rest everything should be small. Okay, so EIGHTHS, 5, 8. So we write down fraction in words in this way, and vice versa. If the spellings are given, words are given, you can write down easily the numbers, numerator and denominator. Clear? Now I'm going to discuss with you unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Okay, unit fraction is what you will do. Suppose I have given one image like this, and there are few parts are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But out of this, only one part is shaded. So unit means where the numerator is always 1. So, and the denominator, it will be 5. So whenever you get numerator as 1, it will be termed as unit fraction. Always remember unit fraction. One more example. Suppose I have given one circle here and like this, and one part is shaded. So what you will write down? 1 by 2, because 2 parts are there, and out of 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. That is called unit fraction. Clear? So in this way you can get many images like this one also. One more is there. Suppose I have divided this into 4 parts and only 1 part is shaded. So your answer will be 1 by 4. See, all are 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So this type of sums are called unit fractions. This type of fractions are called unit fractions. Okay. Now comes equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction means, suppose this is our figure and out of this 4, only 2 are shaded. So 4 half equivalent. Okay. So when you have total number of parts, out of that half is shaded. So 2 by 4. So 4 is our total and half of 4 is how much? 2. So this type of fraction is called equivalent. Clear? Now one more I'm showing you. So how many parts we have made? 8 parts, and half of 8 is how much? 4. So we are going to paint it with red color, so you will understand. Clear? So what will be your answer? It will be 4 by 8, that is half. So in this way we are going to find out equivalent fraction. Now I'm going to show you few sums on. Suppose I have given you few sums like 3 by 5. Now I'm asking you, find some equivalent fraction. So how to find equivalent fraction? What you will do, you just write down the table. It's very easy. You just write down the table. So you can make 3 lines. Suppose I'm telling write down first 3 equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So 3's table is how much? 3 into 1 is already given. So you can write down 3 into 2. That is 6. So 5 into 2, 10. 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 3, 15. 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5 into 4, 20. So these all are equivalent. How equivalent? Suppose I am taking 9 by 15 and now I am going to cancel it. So how you will cancel? With 3 you can cancel 3 into 3, 3 into 5. See, it is 3 by 5, correct? And it is same. So in this way we are going to find out equivalent fraction. Clear? Let me show you one more example, then you will understand. Suppose I have given you 2 by 4. So what you will do, 2's table. So 2 into, you can not only like that first only you have to write down. Any multiple you can take. Suppose I am taking 2 into 5. Directly I am taking. So 2 into 5 is how much? 10. Same number you have to multiply in the denominator part also. So 4 into 5 is how much? 20. Then you can take 2 into 10, that is 20. So 4 into 10, that is 40. So you cancel now this one, you will get 2 by 4. Okay. So these are called equivalent fraction. Means whenever you are getting any fraction, once you find their lowest term, it should come this one. This fraction should come 2 by 4. So that is equivalent fraction. Clear? Now I'm going to show you how to find like fraction and unlike fraction. So like, unlike. What are this? Like means, suppose I've given you few fractions in this way. Out of this one, which are having common denominator, those fractions are called like fraction and the rest of it will be called as unlike fraction. So here can you see this one 10 is there, this one denominator 10 is there, and this one denominator 10 is there. So these all fraction 2 by 10, 6 by 10, 4 by 10 are called like, and the rest 1 by 9, 7 by 8, 2 by 11, 6 by 7 are called unlike fraction. Clear? So like and unlike is very much important. Okay. Because why do you need this one when you are finding fractions, then fractions, addition, subtraction, and ascending, descending order also? That time, all the fraction you have to make it into like fraction. Then only you can do the addition, subtraction, okay, and finding descending, ascending order. So you need to understand the concept of like fraction. Like fraction, that means whenever you are taking any figure and you are making it into any parts, the total number of parts should be equal. So out of 10, suppose sometime you are giving 2, sometime you are giving 6 parts, sometime you are giving 4 parts. So until and unless you make numbers, you make the fractions like, you cannot do ascending, descending order, you cannot add, you cannot subtract. Clear? What is proper and improper? Suppose, what is proper fraction? When the numerator is smaller. For example, this one and this one. So this type of fraction is called proper. Why? Numerator is smaller, denominator is greater. This is smaller, this is larger. So this type of fraction is called proper, where you can't divide. Then when you divide, answer will come in 0 point something like that. And improper is just vice versa. So 8 by 4, or you can say 9 by 2, where you can divide. How you can divide? Once you divide, suppose 9 by 2, 2 into 4, 8, 1. Now, there is one more, is there? Mixed fraction. So proper, improper, mix. What is mix? This remainder 1, it will go up here and the divisor will come here. So your answer is 4 1 by 2. So fraction of 2 by 9, this is an improper fraction, improper, okay? Improper fraction, you are converting into mixed fraction, you have to convert in this way. So your answer is 4 1 by 2. Clear? And if you want to do mixed fraction to improper fraction, what we have to do? The same number 4 into 2, you write down 4 into 2 in this way and add this top one. And so 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, that is 9 by 2. So we got the same thing. Clear? I will show you a few more examples of mixed fractions. So improper fraction and mixed fraction conversions. Okay. So improper fraction, what you will do? Suppose I am writing 9 by 4. So what you will do? How to divide it? 4 into 2 is 8, 1. So 1 by 4. Clear? So this is mixed fraction. This is improper. Now just I want to do the reverse. What I will do? First this two you multiply in this way and top one you add it. And this denominator will remain same. So you will get the same answer. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 by 4, that is 9 by 4. So that's all for today. Please go through the full video. You will understand what is fraction, what is unit fraction, what is equivalent fraction, how to find equivalent fraction, and compare also. You can see, compare. I have shown you in one of my video, cross multiplication. If the cross multiplication will be same, then it will be equivalent fraction. If it is not same, then it is not equivalent. And here I have shown you how to convert improper fraction to a mixed fraction and vice versa. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ta-da!